Hello everyone, welcome back again. So my dear friends, today in this video I want to discuss some passing hacks of applied physics for mechanical stream. As you already know that VTU has changed the syllabus for this particular subject for every branch. So it is subject code is BPHYM, that is for physics for mechanical stream, first semester second subject and second semester second subject. Okay, so let me tell you my dear friends in this video which are the passing modules over there which you have to focus so that you can easily what we call pass this subject, conquer this subject with ease. So without wasting any time, let me start with the module first over here, as this is the passing module. First passing module is the module first over here, that is oscillations and shock waves. You might be aware of the what we call as oscillations like simple harmonic motion, as it is the 12th class based concept over there. So first question is, which is a definite question over there, that is what is simple harmonic motion, and write the differential equation for SHM. This time they have given in the syllabus there is no derivation for this particular SHM over there. Actually in the previous syllabus derivation was important over there, but this time they have deleted this derivation. So focus on this simple harmonic motion definition and write down the differential equation. Simply you have to write down the differential equation. Okay, so next one is the characteristics of shock waves and applications of the shock waves. Okay, next one is construction and working of ready shock tube with neat sketch. Focus on this much this question, my dear friends. This is most important question as far as previous papers are concerned, as it was in the also 2018 scheme continuously asked in the VTU examination, that is construction and working of ready shock tube with neat sketch. You can also refer 2021 paper, also 2021 scheme. It will be there in this in the question paper. Next one is, what are the forced oscillations? Obtain expression for displacement and amplitude of the forced vibrations. They will ask like sometimes what are the forced oscillations. Mostly they will ask obtain expression for the amplitude of forced vibrations. This is very least chances are for this particular expression, that is for displacement over there. So but you just focus on both parts, that is displacement and amplitude of forced vibrations. Next one is the series and parallel combination of springs. Derivation is there, you have to focus on the derivation part over there, series and parallel combination. Theory of damped oscillations, types of damping like critical damping, over damping, under damping. Okay, so focus on those parts only, theory of damped oscillations. Okay, next one is the engineering applications of the damped oscillations, and also some definitions like Mach number and Mach angle, resonance and sharpness of resonance, and stiffness factor. This much content is enough, my dear friends. If you just cover theory portion, you will at least get 10 15 sorry 15 marks you will easily get. But I will prefer you just try some simple problems also from this module, as these are the simpler ones. So go through series and parallel combination like problems over there, and on also on the basis of simple harmonic motion. So it will be easy for you people to get 20 marks in this particular module, as I have mentioned above, as it is the passing module over here. Okay, so you have to focus on this part. Next one is module second, my dear friends. In the module second, elasticity, it is also a 12th class based concept. You might be known about what we call the Hooke's law, Young's modulus, like rigidity modulus, and Poisson's ratio. Okay, so all about you have read about in the PU classes. Okay, so most important question is the derivation over there, that is the relationship between Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, and Poisson's ratio, where symbols have their own meanings. It will be the question over there like that. So another one is, actually there is also another derivation which was in the 2018 scheme, Bullock modulus, Young's modulus, and Poisson's ratio, but this time they have not mentioned it in the syllabus. They have simply written over there, mention the equation. You have to only mention that particular relationship over there, no need to derive the equation. So you have to derive only this Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, and Poisson's ratio. Next one is stress strain curve, explain Hooke's law. Okay, so this is important question. You have to draw what we call the stress strain curve. It is actually a graph over there. You have to show like what we call as yield point and upper limit like that. Sorry, yield point, lower yield point, and maximum stress, ultimate stress, and tensile like that you have to show in the curve. So that is the stress strain curve, and you have to explain Hooke's law. Okay, if you want some problems also, if you want some derivation videos, you can comment down so that I can make separate video for them also. Okay, next one is define bending moment and derivation of the expression. You have to define bending moment and derive the expression for the bending moment also. Okay, so these are the three important main questions from this particular module over here. Then some definitions which you have to focus on. Okay, these are not, I'm telling you, the most important questions, but you have to be mature to answer these particular questions. That is Young's modulus, like Poisson's ratio. Already you have derived equation in the upper part, that is Young's modulus, rigidity modulus. So you should be know about the definitions also, like elastic modulus, Poisson's ratio, limiting values of Poisson's ratio. Okay, right. Then failures of engineering materials, like ductile fracture. They will ask you what is the ductile fracture. Write down the note on brittle fracture, stress concentration, and fatigue and factors affecting fatigue. Okay, and stress hardening and softening. Only definition part, stress hardening and softening over there. So this is the theory part in the module second. If you want to pass this, if you are focusing on the passing marks over there, so this much content is enough for the module second. Then module 5th comes up, as this is the one of the passing modules also. Module 5 is the passing module, as it contains all the theory concepts over there, that is a material characterization and instrumentation techniques. But you have to draw neat sketch over there. If you just draw neat sketches, then you write you in your own words whatever you write. But first of all, you just understand concept in your own language, then you can write some what we call as points on these particular diagrams over there. Suppose first one question is the, with neat sketch write the principal construction and working of X-ray diffractometer. Okay, this is important question. You have to try try to draw diagrams and then write the principle and construction and working. Okay, next one is the working principle and construction of atomic force microscopy, that is AFM. Write its applications. Okay, sometimes they are giving only the applications of the atomic force microscopy, but you just focus on also working principle and construction part. And then explain X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, that is XPS. Next one is explain scanning electron microscopy, that is SEM. Explain transmission electron microscopy, that is TEM. Next one is the crystallite size determination by the Scherer equation. Okay, so on the on this basis they will ask some problems also. But if you focus on the what we call the theory part over there, at least you will get 15 marks. So just 15 marks are just in your pocket, and sometimes if you are lucky, then 20 marks also can be in your pocket over there. Okay, if numerical problems are possible for you, if this is convenient for you people, so go through. If you find difficulties, then leave it. You can leave it easily. You just focus on the theory part over there. Then module 3 comes up, as it is the thermoelectric materials and devices over there. So focus on the this part with the neat sketch. Write down the construction and working of thermoelectric generators like TEG. Okay, and thermoelectric coolers, TEC. Applications also you have to mention over there. Next one is the expression of thermo EMF in terms of T1 and T2. Then laws of thermoelectricity you have to focus on, and what is Seebeck effect, Peltier effect. Mention Seebeck and Peltier coefficients over there. Then thermoelectric materials, low, mid, and medium and high, and write their applications. So these are the concepts which you have to cover in the module third. As you already know, my dear friends, syllabus is very vast over there. I know you cannot cover all the syllabus in just these days, as you have already third internals pending yet. So you have to focus on this much content. Then also one question is there, that is exhaust of automobiles and refrigerator, space program, etc., and some numerical problems if convenient. Okay, then module 4th, that is cryogenics. That is first one question is the, which is the most important one, that is Joule-Thomson effect with 3 cases, and porous plug experiment with theory. Next one is the thermodynamical analysis of Joule-Thomson effect, then Linde's air liquefier, platinum resistance thermometer, and applications of cryogenics in aerospace tribology and food processing, liquefaction of helium, liquefaction of helium and its properties, liquefaction of oxygen by cascade process. So this is enough content in the module 4. So as I mentioned, whatever I mentioned in this particular video, my dear friends, go through these concepts. You will easily pass this subject. Hello friends, welcome back. So today I am with another series. I have started another series for the 22 scheme students, as I have completed the 18 scheme passing strategies. Now in this video I want to tell you how to conquer this particular subject, that is engineering mathematics, which is for the 22 scheme students. As you already know, VTU has changed the scheme after 21 scheme randomly. So and they have changed also the subject codes for the particular subjects for the mathematics series over there. As you can see here, its subject code is BMAT M201. It is particularly for every branch. Suppose I have taken here the mechanical branch, what we call the subject code over here. For electrical branch, for CS branch, there may be different subject codes for this subject. Otherwise, firstly, subject codes were same, like 18 mat 21, 18 mat 31, 18 mat 41, like that. But this time they have changed the subject codes, so we don't have to deal with the subject codes over here. So I'm here to deliver the important questions by which you can easily conquer this particular subject, by which you can easily score also. So if you want to pass this subject, my dear friends, so in this video I want to tell you which module you have to attempt first, and from where you can take over this particular subject. So my dear friends, go for the first module first over here, in which you have to deal with the numerical techniques. It is a very easy topic, very easy module over there as far as this particular mathematics is concerned. So there are some what we call as numerical techniques by which you can use your formulas and put the values, and you will get the answers over there. Okay, so first of all, just focus on the Taylor series method. It is purely based on numerical values over there. You have to just put the values, and no differentiation or anything else will be required over there. So also modified Euler's method and Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. Okay, so one is the second order. It was in probably second mathematics as far as second math is concerned. So this time they have given the Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. Okay, and Milne's predictor and corrector formula. So these are the four what we call as methods which you have to focus on over there in the module 5th, so that you can easily score 20 marks. And I have just written it over here, is that is 20 marks are just in your pocket, my dear friends. So don't leave this module. This is the passing module over there for the mathematics second for the 22 scheme students. So focus on these. And also if somebody wants to what we call is learn this particular method, that is Adams-Bash fourth method, it will not come in the examination. This is just for the self study as per the syllabus. You can easily refer your syllabus copy, and this is for the self study, my dear friends. So I hope if somebody are vigorously waiting for this particular method, so they can go through it. Okay, so these are the four methods. Just focus on, you will easily get 20 marks in this particular subject. Okay, then module 4 comes. This is also 20 marks are just in your pocket also. So don't leave this module also, my dear friends. These are just the passing modules, module 5th and module 4. So first part is, that is regular-Falsy method. Firstly, it was in engineering mathematics 3rd. These topics were in mathematics 3, but they have mixing these two modules in the mathematics 2nd. But let me tell you friends, M2 is considered as toughest subject as far as engineering is concerned. But this time you have simple maths in the second semester, not too much tough as far as 18 scheme second maths is concerned. Okay, so focus on the regular-Falsy method, Newton-Raphson method, and Newton's forward and backward difference formula. Okay, and Newton's divided difference formula, and Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, so on these particular 5 topics questions will come up. Okay, so you have to focus on these particular methods over here. And also actually three chapters are in this module, 3 chapters. So you have to focus on first chapter, which is the main part over here. And also in the second chapter there is Simpson's 1/3 rule and 3/8 rule. Okay, so you have to try some problems on Simpson's 1/3 rule and 3/8 rule. Okay, so and also just little bit focus over the trapezoidal rule. Sometimes they may ask over here, as this is the first time you are writing the VTU examination, so they will not tell these too much tough type questions over there. So you just focus on these type of methods, so regular-Falsy, Newton-Raphson, like that. Just you have to put your formulas if you just want to learn formulas also, I am making a separate video also on these particular formulas. I will just provide a link in the description box so that you can easily avail that video also, in which I have discussed the whole formulas of these two particular modules over there. Okay, so then module 3 comes up. Okay, so this is one definite question will be over there, which I am assuring you, guaranteeing you, this will be question over there. These two, among these two questions, that is derive one dimensional wave equation and derive one dimensional heat equation. Among these two they will definitely ask one among them, or in the or part they will ask a heat equation, or in the first part they will ask one dimensional wave equation. It carries 6 marks over there. Okay, so 6 marks are in your pocket in this module. Otherwise I cannot tell 20 marks are just in your module, as if you are good in the differential equations over there, you can easily score. You are weak in this particular differential equation, so you cannot what we call as conquer the 20 marks also. If you are good, then you can easily avail, my dear friends, I'm telling you. So you have two types of questions over there, like form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from equations will be given over there. So you have to form the partial differential equation over there. Okay, and second part is form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from equations will be given. Same equations will be given, so you have to form the differential equation. Suppose I have taken here the example z is equal to x f1 of x plus y plus f2 of x plus y. You have to make the differential equation over there. Okay, so this carries also 7 marks. So focus on these two types, that is arbitrary constants and arbitrary functions over there. And also the solving questions are there, like solve dou square z by dou x square is equal to a square z, given that x value will be given, x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, and suppose dou z by dou x is equal to a sine of y. So you have to solve this particular differential equation over there. So this is the partial differential equation. Okay, sometimes they will ask some different equations, like dou square z by dou x square is equal to xy, like that. X values will be given, z values will be given. So these are the 5 topics which you have to cover in the module 3rd, my dear friends. So this much is the enough content to score at least 15 or 16 marks in this particular module. Okay, then module 2nd comes up, in which it is the vector differentiation actually. So vector algebra is there. So this is the most important and very easy, my dear friends. If you just go through, and if you want also problem solving videos, you can just comment down and I will make separate videos for also problem solving videos. Okay, and as I have started the series for 21 scheme and 22 scheme students, so you can just comment down your most important questions which I can make on what we call is on the same platform, and you can avail the benefits over there. Okay, so find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 4, and this is the one equation. And another one is z is equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2 1 2. That is these are the coordinates, and you have to find the angle between the surfaces. It is a very easy question over there, my dear friends. You can easily score 7 marks or 6 marks will be there this question, so you can easily avail it. Okay, then also another easiest question, that is f vector is equal to curl of xy cube z square. You have to find the divergence of f and curl of f vector. Okay, at points will be given 1 minus 1 1. So there are varieties of problems. You can just go through 3-4 problems so that you can easily understand the concept of this divergence and curl over there. Okay, and next one is also a simpler one. Find the directional derivative of x square yz cube at points 1 1 1 in the direction of I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, so this is also a simplest question, my dear friends, as I have taken simpler ones. Otherwise there are tough also, but if you just focus on these type of problems over there, you can at least you can score 8 marks from this particular module 2 by covering this much portion. Okay, and also some solenoidal and irrotational vector fields. These are the important ones over there. If you are just good in the derivative part, so you can just go through the solenoidal and irrotational part over there. Okay, so focus on this part also so that you can easily cover this module 2 also, my dear friends. So this much is content enough for the module 2nd. Then we can later on we can just come on the module 1st, as it is considered as toughest module as far as this mathematics 2 is concerned. Actually there are some triple integrations. Okay, so multiple integrals we can call it. So the one definite question which may be over there is, that is the relation between beta and gamma functions. Actually there are 2 chapters. One is the multiple integrals and another one is beta and gamma functions. So from this part some definitions will be asked, and otherwise this is the most important questions which is always asked as far as 18 scheme maths is concerned. It is always asked over there. So this time maybe this question will be there, that is a relationship between the beta and gamma functions. Okay, And also area and volume problems. Suppose they will give you by using double integration, you just find out the area of the parabola. Equation will be given, circle equation will be given, so you have to find the areas. If you are good in integration also, my dear friends, so go through these evaluate problems. Okay, that is the multiple integral part. Suppose I have taken here equation, evaluate integral of -1 to 1, integral of 0 to z, integral of minus x minus z, x plus z. Okay, so this is the triple integration you have to do with this equation, that is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z into dy dx dz. You have to integrate it with respect to x, y and z. So just to go through my dear friends, so this much is enough content for the what we call as this particular math. So if you want to take the screenshot of this particular what we call as important content, so pause the video for a while so that you can easily take a screenshot. Okay, so this is module 5th, and this is module 4th, and this is module 3rd, and this is module 2nd. Okay, then the module 1 is here. So pause the video for a while so that you can take a screenshot. So thanks for watching a video, my dear friends. So do subscribe this channel, and if you are new to the channel, so and you just share the videos so that others will also avail benefits from these type of videos. So thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my dear friends, today I want to discuss some important questions related to the M1, that is mathematics first for mechanical engineering stream. It is subject code is BMAT M101. So who are having backlog in this particular subject, that is M1 subject, so fear not friends, I am with the passing strategy today by which you can easily pass this subject, mathematics subject, in which most of the students. Hello friends, welcome back again. So my dear friends, today I am with another video of the passing strategy series. This is for the elements of electrical engineering, where the subject code is BEEE 103 and 203. That is in the first semester third subject and second semester third subject. Okay, probably you are in the second semester now, so definitely its code is BEEE 203 over there. So let me tell you some important questions which you have to cover in this particular subject so that you can easily pass this. If you want to pass this, if you want to score also, so this video is for you. So fear not friends, you are in the correct platform over here. So my dear friends, in the module 4, as I am taking over here, it is the passing module. If you want to pass it, so in the first chapter there is the measuring instruments, and next one is the domestic wiring over there. So I have taken some mixing questions from both of these particular chapters, as VTU is now mixing the papers. First of all, as far as the 18 scheme is concerned, as far as this electrical subject is concerned, so only from the first chapter questions were coming up, but this time questions are coming from both the chapters over here. So I have taken some important questions over here. I have given some importance to the questions. It's very important to give the importance of the questions over there. Okay, so with a neat wiring diagram and truth table, explain two-way and three-way control of lamp. They will definitely ask one among them, my dear friends, with a neat sketch with the truth table, explain two-way switch. Sometimes they may give three-way control of the lamp over there. Next one is the working principle of Wheatstone bridge. Okay, next one is the principle of Kelvin's double bridge. It is the new topic which VTU has inserted this time into this particular module over there. Next one is the working of Megger and wooden casing and caping wiring, Maxwell's bridge for inductance, and Schrink's bridge for capacitance. Okay, Shearing's bridge for capacitance is also a new topic over there. So you have to focus on these 6 topics over there. Okay, so that you will easily get what we call 20 marks over there in this particular subject. It is purely based on the theory over here, no problematic at all. Next one is the module 5, my dear friends, in which you have to cover what is earthing with a neat diagram, explain pipe earthing and plate earthing. As far as the 18 scheme is concerned, these two questions were definitely over there. So one among them, they will ask what is earthing with the neat diagram, explain pipe earthing. Sometimes they will give you plate earthing. Okay, these are the important questions from this module. In the second part, write short note on miniature circuit breaker, that is MCBs. You have to focus on, you have to make short notes on these MCBs, like fuse is there. So you have to focus on this theory concept. Write down on your A4 sheet and try to sort out the problems. Okay, so it is advantage and disadvantage also you have to focus on. Next one is the precautions against electric shock. This is again an important question in this module over here. Next one is RCCB, that is residual current circuit breaker. Next one is the earth leakage breaker over there. Then next one is the two-part electric traffic, as this is mentioned in the syllabus over there. Then the definition of unit used for the consumption of electric energy. So you have to focus on these theory questions so that it will be easy for you people to conquer this module also, that is module 5th. As you already know, in the VTU examination, problems are somewhat unexpected over there, so students mostly focus on the theory part. So you just go through these theory concepts, you will easily get marks, at least 15 marks from this particular module 5. Then module first comes up, my dear friends, in which you have to deal with the DC circuits and electromagnetism, as it is the 12th basic concept over there. You may already aware of the Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law also. So most probable question will be there, like state and explain Ohm's law and what are its limitations. Next one is the state and explain Kirchhoff's laws, very simple ones, current law and voltage law over there, and try some problems also. These are very easier ones. Okay, next one is the state and explain Lenz's law. This is the additional topic they have added into this particular module this time. And laws of electromagnetic induction, and also one derivation part is there, that is expression for the energy stored in the inductor. And some basic problems you have to try in this particular module. You will easily get 20 marks in this particular module over here. Okay, next one comes up module 3rd, three-phase AC circuits. This is the little bit tough module, I can say that, but you have to focus on some theory concepts also. Okay, with a circuit and phasor diagram, show that 2 wattmeters are sufficient to measure three-phase power. Okay, this is most important question in this module 3rd. With a circuit and phasor diagram, show that 2 wattmeters are sufficient to measure three-phase power. Okay, next one is the you have to focus on, ponder on necessity and advantages of three-phase system. Next one is the in a three-phase star connection, find the relationship between line and phase values of current and voltage. Also derive equation for three-phase power, and try some also simple problems over there. Okay, no need to go for tougher ones, so at least try some basic problems in this module 3rd. Okay, then module 2nd comes up. In the module 2nd, its chapter name is the single phase AC circuits. Show that the power consumed in a pure capacitance circuit is 0. Show that power consumed in a pure capacitive circuit is 0 with the help of voltage, current and power waveforms. Okay, you have to draw some graphs over there, and you have to show that power consumed in a pure capacitive circuit is 0. Okay, show that voltage and current in pure resistive circuit is in phase with each other. Also derive the equation for the power consumed. So these are the two derivations which are the most important ones. It will definitely carry 7 marks over there. Then some definitions are there you have to go through, like RMS value, average value, form factor, peak factor, and also expressions also for these particular values over there, that is RMS value, write down its expression, and average value, form factor, write down its expression, also peak factor, like that. Okay, and try some numericals also in this particular subject. If you have to pass this subject, then go through the module 1st, 3rd, and what I have discussed, 1st, 3rd, and 4th and 5th, and this first one. Okay, some theory concepts are there, you will easily pass this subject by theory only, but just don't leave these problems also, which are simpler ones. It will definitely help you people to enhance the marks over there, so that it will be easy for you people to avoid backlog in this particular subject. Most of the students are struggling with this subject, my dear friends, since 2015 scheme students are also writing this subject, this particular electrical engineering. So I hope this much content is enough for passing this subject. So refer it, definitely you will get I cannot say 90-80, but 75 or 70 will definitely cover with this portion. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my dear friends, today I am with another subject, that is basic electronics, which is considered as toughest subject as per first and second sem are concerned, especially for the VTU students. So fear not friends, you are coming to the correct platform. I will provide you some important questions for this particular subject, in which most of the students are struggling, in which most of the students are fearing also how to pass this particular subject. So my dear friends, I believe that if you just cover this much portion which I will mention in this video over here, it will be enough to cover this particular subject, to conquer this subject. It is subject code is BBEE 103 and 203 in the first semester third subject and second semester third subject, right? So in the module first, my dear friends, you have to cover some important questions which I have mentioned here. First of all, explain how Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. It is one of the most important questions, which I call it the super important question as far as module first is concerned, as already in the 2018 scheme it was consistently asking in the examination, right? So this time they will also ask this particular question, that is how Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator over here. The next one is, with neat circuit diagram and waveforms, you have to draw some graphs over here, waveforms, explain the working of the bridge rectifier, right? Next one is, explain with the neat diagram and waveforms working of a half wave rectifier and also derive an expression for the efficiency and ripple factor. And next important question, that is, explain forward and reverse biasing VI characteristics of PN junction. It is also a 12th class basic concept, so you may already come across from these concepts. So these are the four main important questions from the module first, right? So also you have to focus on problems on Zener diode and full wave rectifier. This is the enough content in the module first to cover this particular module, so that you will get at least 15 marks from this particular module, as it is considered as a passing module, my dear friends, as I have written it over here, that is, it is a passing module. Then if we come to the module second, which is also a passing module, actually it consists of a theory also. You can write 20 marks from this particular module over here, as it is fully based on the theoretical concepts. So first of all, working and construction of enhancement type MOSFET. Sometimes they will give in the short form E-type MOSFET. You have to what we call as discuss over there. Then make use of N-channel JFET to describe its operation and characteristics. These are the theory questions. And next one is, explain input and output characteristics of the common emitter configuration. Also BJT voltage and currents over there. And next one is the common base characteristics, common collector, what we call as characteristics, where you have to focus on these type of concepts over there, as it is a fully theory based concepts. So just go through full theory from this module 2, as it is a passing module. These 20 marks are just in your pocket over there. So these are the two modules. Then if we come to the module third, so module third, you have to cover some also theory parts, but it contains also their problems. So the theory concepts which you have to focus over there is, discuss the ideal characteristics of the OP-amp. And next one is the derive an expression for integrator or differentiator. Among these two, you have to derive expression for one, either maybe for integrator or differentiator, right? Next one is derive an expression for the three input summing circuit. And also some definitions are there which are consistently frequently asking in the examination, video examination. That is, define the following with respect to OP-amp. That is slew rate, bandwidth, input impedance, output impedance, CMRR, input offset voltage and current. So these are the concepts, theory concepts, which you have to cover in the module third. I may not call it the passing module just because it consists of numerical problems also. So if you are convenient with the problems, so go through problems also, my dear friends. Try to solve 3 to 4 problems, simpler ones, so that you will get some idea to write down the given data in the VTU examination, right? So this is the third module. So then fourth module, this I am calling as the passing module, my dear friends. You have to go through full module. This is a super important module. I have written it over here, that is simple numericals over there and logic gates. You may already come across AND gate, NOR gate, OR gate. It is the 12th class concept, so it is very easy to write over there. And also some numericals are in the module module fourth, which are easier ones. So you have to go through full module. These 20 marks are just in your hand, you can say. Then module fifth comes up, in which this is the transducer, what we call as module, which they have added this time. VTU has added this time in this particular subject, basic electronics. Actually it was not in the 18th scheme, so this time they have added it. It is actually the professional active of the mechanical engineering, which consists of these transducers over there. So explain potentiometric type transducer, explain need of modulation. First of all, they will give some definitions like what do you mean by the modulation, and you have to explain the need of modulation. Next one is explain LVDT with relevant diagrams. Describe the blocks of the basic communication. This is the most important question, that is blocks of the basic communication system. And also focus on piezoelectric transducers. This much content is enough for the module 5th, my dear friends. So passing modules are the module 4th, and first module is passing, and second module is also passing, and fourth module, right? So these are the passing modules which you have to focus if you want to conquer this subject. So you have to try some problems also, so that it will be easy for you people to conquer this toughest subject as far as first and second sem is concerned, that is basic electronics. Most of the students having backlog in this. So I hope this video is beneficial for you people. So make sure you will share it with your batchmates, so that they can also avail benefits from such type of contents. And also by subscribing this channel, I can make more and more videos for you people. So share with it your friends. Thank you for watching my video.